of DIG Operation Muhammad Faisal Kamran, Lahore police have conducted indiscriminate operation to rid the provincial capital of crime. Naseerabad police have arrested a couple supplying ice to a private educational institutions. 2 kg of ice were recovered from their possession. Sanda police foiled an attempt to supply drugs in the city and arrested drug dealer Haroon Khan, recovering 15 kg of hashish worth millions of rupees. The suspect had come from Gujranwala to Lahore in a rickshaw to supply the drugs. Masti Gate police arrested drug dealer Afzal red-handed based on a tip-off and recovered 1,360 grams of hashish from him. Mughalpura police arrested 2 previously convicted drug dealers. The suspect Manwar Abbas and Amjad were found with 2,840 grams of hashish. The Saggian police force, through an effective operation, arrested a 3-member motorcycle theft gang. 8 motorcycles and illegal weapons were recovered from them. Mustafa Town police, in a crackdown against criminal elements, detained a 3-member motorcycle and snatching gang. The suspect, identified as Ghazanfar Ali, Shahbaz Razaq and Muhammad Amin, were found with 3 stolen motorcycles, 10 mobile phones, illegal weapons and cash. The Dolphin Squad, during the last 72 hours, arrested 192 suspects, including 32 wanted criminals in various cases.